Reading.
IKEA. Come for the furniture, stay for the food. IKEA stores around the world sell about 2 million Swedish meatballs every day. It may surprise people to learn that Swedish meatballs weren't originally Swedish, though. King Charles XII of Sweden brought home a Turkish meatball recipe from the Ottoman Empire in the early 18th century. Classic IKEA meatballs contain beef and pork, and they're served with gravy, potatoes, and lingonberry sauce. This sauce is eaten with many Swedish dishes, like cabbage rolls and both savory and sweet pancakes. In 2015, IKEA began offering other kinds of meatballs that create less of a carbon footprint than the classic ones. Their chicken balls' carbon footprint is 6 times lower, and their vegetable balls is 30 times lower. Additionally, IKEA recently introduced another type of vegetable ball called plant balls that look and taste more like their classic meatballs. One plant ball has just 4% of the climate footprint of the traditional IKEA meatball. You can feel good about eating these to fuel your body during a long day of shopping. After all, IKEA's founder Ingvar Kamprad famously said, "It's difficult to do business with someone on an empty stomach."